Hello, welcome to Manchester United News Channel.
Maguire has put pen to paper on a 6-year deal at Old Trafford, with United paying Leicester a world record £80 million fee for a defender. Red Devils boss Ole Gunnar Solskjaer had been keen to strengthen his defence this summer after a poor season. Maguire joins former Crystal Palace fullback Aaron Wan-Bissaka as a new arrival at Old Trafford. And Maguire's mum has revealed that the England defender has always dreamed of playing for Manchester United. In a post on Twitter, Zoe Maguire wrote, "When your son dreams of playing for Man United as a little boy and you wake up one morning and it's happening, #dreams can come true, so proud of you." Alongside the emotional post was a picture of a young Maguire as well as a current photo in the Manchester United kit. Maguire himself can't wait to get going at United. "I am delighted to have signed for this great club," said Maguire. "I have thoroughly enjoyed my time at Leicester and would like to thank everyone at the club, and the fans, for their fantastic support over the past 2 seasons. However, when Manchester United come knocking on your door, it is an incredible opportunity. From my conversations with the manager, I am excited about the vision and plans he has for the team. It's clear to see that Ole is building a team to win trophies. I am now looking forward to meeting my new teammates and getting the season started. And Solskjaer is glad to have finally got his man after months of speculation. I would like to welcome Harry to Manchester United and we are looking forward to working with him as we prepare for the new season," said the manager. "He is a great reader of the game and has a strong presence on the pitch, with the ability to remain calm under pressure, coupled with his composure on the ball and a huge presence in both boxes. I can see he will fit well into this group both on and off the pitch. Let's block ad."